cocoa technology. We're here at Hickory, North Carolina for the summer North Carolina Beekeepers Association meeting. Chuck Mays, our sales and marketing person. What we're going to do is draw from 10 randomly generated numbers. We'll draw from the numbers from a bowl. Actually, we're going to generate the random numbers now. We have 86 contestants, or 86 people in our database. Give me a first random number, Chuck May.
39.
39. Number 8.
23.
23. Number 9.
17.
17. And finally,
Number 8.
Number 8. We're going to place all these numbers, these 10 randomly generated numbers, in the fishbowl and ask our assistant. What is your name?
My name is Samantha.
Hey, Samantha. Draw one of the numbers for the winning contestant. You get one number?
I got one number. 14.
14. Sha Bryant, Moore County Beekeepers. His card number. Thank you, Samantha. Number 14. We'll see you next time at the next Beekeeper Show.